I'm making a chicken zucchini dish with Alfredo sauce. Now, this isn't a hard dish to do by any means, but there we go. I decided I wanted to try to make it. There we go. As clean as I could. Now, basically, you can go to the store and buy Alfredo. There's no reason you have to make it by yourself. Having said that, Alfredo's a pretty simple thing to do. So my feeling is, why not just cook it then? I decided to use bacon fat as the fat of choice in this. You'll see, doesn't like bacon fat. Of course, I'm using Kerrygold butter, as you can tell, which is delicious. And here we go. This is boiling. Now, once this cooks, it cooks pretty darn fast. Okay. Go away, puppy. Does that mean? Okay, so right now, the fat is in here. The bacon fat from 2 pieces of bacon. I split it between the chicken that is going to go in my zucchini dish. And there we go. And this. Okay. I am putting a 1/4 cup of cream cheese because I want to make sure, well, it's going to be close to a 1/4 cup. Okay. I don't want this boiling too fast. I do have to simmer it when I cook it. So for the chicken, I went and I bought antibiotic-free, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And then I cut them up. And that's what I used. And now I am using some cream cheese. Okay, there we go. I have a lot of Parmesan. And I'm going to start adding it because I love cheese. And I'm thinking I can always add more cream if I feel it isn't enough. But this is really 4 shakes of that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of that. Here we go. Okay. And now, about 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. I'm putting the bacon in it. Okay. That is that. Now we're going to switch these over. 2 chicken thighs completely cut up in here, and I cooked them in the bacon. So we're going to just make it so we do this. I want to try it. Huh. Oh, that's way too big. That is good. Now along with this, I have noodle spirals. They're not really the super long ones, but they're good. I'm going to go ahead and add them to this and stir them. We're going to get them a little coated. And again, that's in chicken with bacon. Now the one thing I'll say about these is you don't want to cook these until they're just falling totally apart. Oh my God, I want to show you this, okay guys? This is just a beautiful sauce. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it directly into this. Now, you could always leave it separate, but I absolutely see no reason to do that. I will probably end up with a little more sauce. Okay, here we go. Let's get this stirred up. And this hot sauce is going to help cook those noodles just a little bit more. Now, there's nothing I put in this that is not keto. If you don't like dairy, this probably is not the dish you're going to want to have. But I'll get it all cleaned up before long. Okay. Now the truth is, if you want, you could add a lot more zoodles. I added a lot of sauce, but I like it that way. You can do it any which way you want. But remember, if you're going to add 2 cups of Parmesan, match that with the amount of cream. Use about a 1/4 cup of cream cheese if you like it thick, which I do. I'm just going to keep... Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. That is a chicken bacon Alfredo. Okay. Oh my God. That is beyond delicious. That is extremely good. Oh. Oh. Mmm. And the bacon is super good in here. And I don't need any extra salt or pepper. Garlic is perfect. Oh. If you want a really quick, delicious meal, this would be the one for you. Thank you so much for coming in. If you like videos like these, go ahead and hit subscribe. Click the bell, because then every Wednesday it's going to tell you when I have this up. Okay, guys, I love you. You know it. And I will talk to you soon.